Hello my friend. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to export your video in Filmora 14 so that YouTube recognizes it in HDR after uploading. Let's get started. We open Filmora 14 and begin editing the video. It's important that the footage you use is already HDR quality, meaning it should be in 10-bit color depth. I prepared a very short demo for this tutorial. Once the editing is finished, we save the project and move on to exporting. Click on the Export button. Type in the video's name and choose the save location. Then, in the settings, open the advanced options. Set the resolution to 3840 by 2160, this is 4K resolution. Change the encoder to HEVC. Set the frame rate to 30 frames per second. For the bitrate, select high and 80,000 kbps. Under that, set the export color space to HDR, Rec. 2100 HLG. Once these settings are done, click Apply. Then the export begins. If you use these settings, your video will appear in HDR on YouTube after uploading, depending on the size and length of the video. From my experience, a 3-minute video takes about 1 day, while a 30-minute video may take 4 to 5 days. You need to be patient. I hope this helped, and please, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel.